I'm at C&D Nursery, and check the color that we've either bred or grown for your garden. I mean, my pride and joy at the moment, I can about this little Peter. We released it last year and we never expected it to flower in winter. There you go. Look at very tough Gazania bred by us. Sun carpet. It never has dead flowers. As they wilt, they disappear. But look at this. If you use a beautiful piece of driftwood, you can create a drought-resistant garden for this summer that's coming. Apparently it's going to be hot and dry. So gardeners should never give up. We've got aloes to die for. Look at aloe, sea urchin, starstruck, and of course, nice grasses. Aristida grass is amazing. 2-meter long roots deep in the ground. It's as tough as nails. Then of course, we've got osteospermums, Felicias. If you combine all these colors, you can have a beautiful garden this summer. Come to C&D. We can give you the best service and the best plants.